about Chapter 6, Section 4, rational exponents, okay? Basically, this is all that this box means. I copied this box right out of your book, okay? If you have a to a fraction, okay, or to a rational number, to the one end, that's just the nth root of a, okay? And I think I talked about to Michael. I think you talked to me about this. Yeah, you did this yesterday. And you didn't know it. And I was like, huh, we haven't talked about that yet.
Well,
You have a to the m over n. It's the same thing as a to the nth power to the nth root. Okay? Or you can rewrite it like this. You guys see how that's written? Yeah, it's just, and sometimes when you do that, it makes simplifying it easier. And I'll show you when. Okay, we're going to do this for 2 days. I'm not going to review these for the time. Okay, here we go. This is your homework. Here it is. Number 1. It says, write each expression in radical form. Okay, so that means I want to write it with a radical. In that case, I want to write it with this. But who can remember which number goes where?
3 goes in there.
The 3 goes on the outside, the 4 goes on the inside. That's all you do for number 1. Let's do another one. Katie. Cube root, what, or to the 1/3 power, what does that mean?
So we cube root over 2y.
Cube root of 2y. Just like that. Okay? The cube root of 2y.
I wonder if I didn't know this, but this is how I've been doing column.
Control K. Control F. All right. When something's written like this, a to the 1.5, how do I do that?
Make a fraction.
Yeah, change 1.5 to a fraction. Now, if you had no idea how to turn 1.5 to a fraction, how do I do that? Well, take 0.5. What's 0.5 written as a fraction? 1/2 or 5 over 10. Because that's in the tenths column, so it's 5 over 10. And then 1, written as a fraction, could be 1 over 1 or 10 over 10 with a common denominator. Once you have a common denominator, add your numerators. You're going to get 15 over 10, which reduces to 3 over 2. So then rewrite a to the 1.5 to a to the 3 over 2. Some of you know what it would be, but that's how you would do it if you didn't. So how do I rewrite that as a radical? Taylor, where does the 3 go? Where does the 2 go? 2 goes outside. Very good. Now, this is also the same as if you wrote it like this. Square root cubed. Okay, those are the same thing. You could put the 3 on the way outside right hand or on the inside. Okay, that's the same thing. Does that make sense? Okay, if you wrote either of those, that would be correct. Stop for me. Control L. All right, I have to write this one as a fraction, but what does that negative sign mean first of all? What do I do with a negative? Now, absolute value. What?
Subtract.
No. Yeah, you're going to move it to the bottom. We're going to move it. Move it. The negative means move it to the bottom. So this is 1 over a to the 1.6. Then write it with a fraction. So if that's the case, what is 1.6 as a fraction? Well, 0.6 is 6 over 10, and 1 is 10 over 10. Good, Joseph. So that gives me what? 16 over 10. Reduce, divide by 2. So this is just 1 over a to the 8/5. And then write it with a radical. 3.
Oh,
Write this same thing with a radical. Which one goes on the outside? Which one goes on the inside? Which one's
5, 1, 6.
5 is 5 is the index, and 8 is the root, or 8 is the exponent. Index, exponent. Okay, index, exponent. Okay, let's do another one. This one's easy, I did that one for you. Okay, the cube root of m is just m to the 1/3. That's number 8. Okay, I'll do this one for you. Let me make sure it doesn't. Number 9. How do I write this one with a fraction, with fractional exponent or rational exponent? Elena. I want to write 5y with a rational or a fraction exponent. What does that mean? 5y to the what power?
Second.
Not second, but
Third.
not third. 1/2. To the 1/2. Because it's a square root and this is just a 1. Right? This one just has a 1 and this is a square, so it's 1/2. Okay? Let's do another one. Ah! This one is number 10. How do I write this one with fraction? If I have 6a, this number is an imaginary 2, or when there's a square root, it just means 2. So what number goes on the top, Taylor? Well, it's going to, yeah, it's going to. The number that goes on top is the 4, and on the bottom is a 2, right? This number goes here, this number goes here, and that reduces to 6a. 4 divided by 2? Okay? Let's do some more. Rewrite number 12 with a rational exponent. Which number goes on top and which number goes on bottom? What? Need a fraction. Which one goes
4
up here?
goes on bottom, 3 goes on top.
Very good. 3, 4. Now, this is number 13, so the directions change. It says simplify the expression. Well, 125 to the 1/3 can also be written as what, Caitlin? Yeah. What goes out here? Yep. Now, how do I simplify that? 125, what's that? Well, the cube root of 125. Well, if I don't know what it is, you can break it down. Okay? 125, 5 times 5 times 5, so the answer is 5. Now I need you guys to see something quick before the bell rings. Okay, that one you should be able to do. This one. All the bases are the same, so just add the exponents. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 gives me 1, which is just -5. So number 17 is -5. Good try.